नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं हूं शुभम गर्ग और आप हैं गर्ग गुरुकुल चैनल में। रिसेंटली जस्ट नाउ AFCAT has AFCAT not AFCAT, Indian Air Force has released a one new app, okay, and the name is My IAF. Okay, just now Indian Air Force has released, and this app contains everything about Indian Air Force. Apart from that, the selection procedure of Indian Air Force and other things about Indian Air Force. Now, so we will review the app in this video, and we will find out how to download that app. Okay, so first of all, you have to go into your Play Store. Okay, and within your Play Store you have to type My IAF CDAC. Okay, even if you type My IAF, then also it will be fine. So just type My IAF. The name of the app is My IAF. Okay, My MYIAF space IAF. Okay, and there are a lot of apps with the name of IAF or Indian Air Force. You have to go to a particular app, and this is that app, My IAF CDAC ACTS Pune. Okay, so you have to see My IAF ACTS Pune, this one, and you have to click this one. And then since I have already installed, so it is showing open and uninstall option. So here you will see install option. Okay, so install that and then you can open it. Okay, so I am going to open the app, and it opens like this, the Indian Air Force logo, and here is an aircraft. They have shown a small video, and then after that you can see a lot of options. So we'll see one by one what are the other options given in over here. So be an air warrior. Now in this be an air warrior, you will get the selection procedure and what are the things, what are the procedures to get selected as an officer and as well as an airman. Okay, that is option number one. I'll go option number one after some time. Know your IAF. So know your IAF is like motto. So how the motto has come up. Okay, this is very important for your SSB. Sometimes they ask these questions. Okay, what is the history of Indian Air Force? So it is very easy now, because you must have been looking for all the things and going different websites and looking for different websites for all these information. Now you have it in just one app. Okay, legends. So we have Marshal of the Air Force and different Indian Air Force officers who have done a great thing. Okay, then after that we have Chief of Air Staff. So over here if I click, so you will see the history of Chief of Air Staffs, who all have been the Chief of Air Staff. So it's very easy now. You get the pictures also, so it looks very easy to remember also. You might get some questions in AFCAT, or you might get some questions in SSB. Okay, after that you have ranks. So now see, this is the most important thing, because you should know the rank, or you should know the rank by just seeing the rank. Okay, you should know the rank. So they have given the picture of the rank, and then they have given the rank name. So it's very easy now, and I think Indian Navy and Indian Army should also launch one app like this. It's very easy. So if you see, the rank starts for the officer. So you have officer category and we have an airman category. So the rank for officer starts with flying officer, then we have flight lieutenant, and you see the difference between them. Flying officer is 1 and flying lieutenant is this 2 stripes. Then for squadron leader, and then so for squadron leader we have 2 thick stripes and 1 thin stripe in the middle. Then for wing commander we have 3 thick stripes. Then group captain 4, then air commodore, then air vice marshal, then air marshal, then air chief marshal, and then marshal of the Air Force. Similarly for the airmen, they have shown the rank. So aircraftsman, then LAC, which is also known as leading aircraftsman, then corporal, we call it corporal, then sergeant. Okay, then junior warrant officer, JWO. Okay, then we have warrant officer, and then we have master warrant officer. So this is how they have given the ranks, and this is what comes into the know your IAF part. Apart from that, IAF in action. Now here they have given a lot of videos how IAF is working, and like IAF Sarang, okay, Vayu Shakti. So very popular videos about Indian Air Force they have given over here. So you can also look into that. Now here we have IAF quiz also. So if you are interested in the quiz, you can give the quiz, and it's very good. There are total 27 questions which I have given, so you can attempt this quiz also. Aircraft inventory. Now this is also very important for SSB and your preparation, and if you love to know about your Indian Air Force. So we have AN-32, Antonov AN-32, then we have Chinook helicopter. So what all aircrafts we have in Indian Air Force? Apache. So it would be very easy to remember these aircrafts. They have the picture over here, and then we have the name also. So you can see, okay, this is Apache. It looks like this. This is Bayhawk Mark So this is used for training. Okay, then we have C-17 Globemaster, then we have a AVAC systems. Okay, and then we have HAL Dhruv. Okay, this is also Team Sarang. Okay, then we have C-132 Hercules. Then we have 78 MKI. Okay, then we have Mi-17, then we have Su-30, and then we have Tejas. Okay, so this is how they have given. Now one more important and the most important I would suggest in this app are two things. One is BN Air Warrior, which we will explore afterwards. Other thing is contact us. So if you check contact us, I get a lot of WhatsApp messages, I get a lot of request to find out some number or email IDs. Okay, how to contact regarding AFCAT, regarding AFSB and all that stuff. So here they have clearly given, if you go to contact cell, they have given Disha cell IAF. Okay, so Disha is the cell which conducts AFCAT, and also they have given clearly the address, the toll-free number, they have given the phone number also, and the email, everything, and the website. So clearly you can click over here and you can open the website. AFCAT cell they have given. Okay, then they have given Central Airman Selection Board. So if you are opting for the airman thing, you want to be an airman in the Indian Air Force, then you can you have the details over here. Then they have CDAC. So CDAC is the one which has the AFCAT website and which has developed this app. Okay, so contact is the one thing, and then we have open and install IF game. So as we all know, before Indian Air Force launched one Indian Air Force game, so this is for that. Then IF official Facebook page, so it will open the IF official Facebook page, and this is the IF Twitter, so it will open the IF Twitter official account. Now let's go to BN Air Warrior. So for any aspirant, I think BN Air Warrior is the most important part. Now when I click on this, I'll be getting my details. Okay, but when you click for the first time, it will ask you an email ID from which you want to log in. So you can log in with any of the email IDs which you have, a Gmail ID or any email ID. So you just log in with that and you will get something like this. So after entering your details, you will get something like this, and this is a very easy, I would say very easy UI or user interface they have made. So they have clearly defined that for officers, what are selection procedure, pay and allowances, IF service, post training, glimpses, post retirement benefits, and for airmen. Okay, so what is the selection procedure, pay and allowances? So if we go for officers and we check the selection procedure, inside that they have given for flying what is the selection procedure, for ground duty what is the selection procedure, for technical what is the selection procedure. So it will be very easy. Now candidates would be they will come to know from this app itself that okay, what is the selection procedure. Now if we see for flying, you can go through NDA or CDS exam. Okay, then you can go through NCC, and then you can also go through Air Force Common Admission Test, which is AFCAT. So if I click on AFCAT, they will see, okay, so you have the eligibility also. Now you can see, and they have mentioned the commission also. So from AFCAT for flying, you can go for short service commission, which is 10, and if you can extend, then plus 4 for total 14 years. Eligibility they have given clearly. Okay, 24 years. Okay, then they have given what is the step 1. So you have to clear the written exam. Then step 2, you have to clear the SSB at AFSB. Then phase 1 in the SSB, phase 2, then you have medical examination, and then you have all India merit list. Okay, and then you have given a online mock test also, they have given direct link, and after that sample question paper for AFCAT also they have given. Okay, apart from that, for ground duty, so for ground duty you have different branches like admin, okay, accounts, education, logistics, meteorology. So how you can join the admin branch? Okay, you can give AFCAT, all the things are given. Okay, accounts, AFCAT. Okay, how you can join education, how you can join the education branch, you have to give the AFCAT. Okay, logistics, similarly AFCAT. Now for meteorology, if you say okay, you don't have to give the AFCAT, you just have to directly download the admit card. You don't have to don't have to give the AFCAT directly. You will be called for SSB for meteorology. So they have written over here, so AFCAT advertisement will be there. You have to register on AFCAT, download your admit card. Okay, and if you check over here in logistics, so they have written AFCAT online objective test you have to give for, but meteorology you don't have to give. Okay, it will be directly called for SSB. So this is how they have given. For technical, you have AE, aeronautical engineering, electronics, and mechanical. Okay, so what is the eligibility criteria they have given? So this is the, I would say this is the best part of the app, that clearly they have given the selection procedure, because that is the most asked doubt which candidates ask me. Apart from that, I'm covering the officers section over here. You can you can yourself check the airman section. It's similarly all the details are same like selection procedure. So they have given the selection procedure for airmen. Now if I check for the pay and allowances. Now clearly they have given what is the pay and allowances. So I have also made a video, you know, on pay and allowances for AFCAT. You can check on my on my channel. But they have given during the training you will be getting 56,100 rupees. Okay, so during training you will be getting 56,100 rupees. You will be in a pay band of 56,100 rupees per month after completion of training. Then you will get MSP, which is military service pay, so 15,100 per month you will be getting. Then apart from that you will be getting transport, children allowances and other HRA, then flying allowance to flying branch officers, technical allowances to technical branch officers, and then you will be getting leave ration allowances, high altitude allowances, okay, instruction allowances. So if you are an instructor you get different allowances, okay. So in Air Force and in the defense forces you get different allowances on the, if you are doing a specific job, okay. So if you are a flying branch officer you will be getting a flying allowance that is equivalent to 25,000 per month, okay. So that is how you get the things. So and pay and allowances is covered. So now we'll check IAF service perks. So what benefits you get, okay. So you get an insured for an amount of rupees 1 crore, okay. Additional insurance cover of 12 lakhs for pilots, okay. Loan at subsidized interest rates, loan for housing and all, medical facilities, scholarship and welfare programs, okay. AFWA, accommodation you get, then leave, annual leave 60 days you get, leave, travel concessions you get, okay. School facilities for wards, school transport for wards, okay. Secured camp life, CSD facilities, canteen facility you get, okay. Now MTech courses for officers of the technical branch in institutes like IIT, okay. Provision for study leave, daily free ration facility, free service clothing, educational commission awards, okay. So these are the perks which you get if you join as an officer in the Indian Air Force. Now these are for the service, okay, IF service part. Now after retirement what all perks you get? So they have mentioned all the perks after you get after the retirement. Similarly, now here glimpses, they have given some pictures, you know, which you can find on the website also. Similarly they have given some pictures. Now apart from that, training, so they have given like you know, where the training is held. So this is just a small map of you know, NDA, where the training is held in NDA and for Air Force Academy. So and for training also they have mentioned clearly that's for CDSE it is for 74 weeks, AFCAT entry flying branches is 74 weeks, technical branch 22 weeks, academy branch is 52 weeks, clearly they have mentioned, okay. And NDA is for 3 years. So NDA is after 12th you join the NDA, and AFCAT is for after graduation. So clearly they have mentioned everything. Similarly you can go for airmen. So as per me this is an, you know, very good app, and they have, you know, provided the selection procedure and everything very clearly. I don't think now the candidate should have any doubt, but still if you have any doubt, you have my WhatsApp number on the screen. You can message me, you can ask me your doubts, and I would be happy to clear it out. If you like the video, please like this video. If you like the app, then mention in the comments, and what could be improved and what could be added in this app, please mention in the comments. This is Shubham Garg. Thank you so much.